Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done virtually sharing my heart with West Bloomfield Virtual Summer School in West Bloomfield, Michigan. And this was sponsored by the Greater West Bloomfield Community Coalition. Special thanks to them for making this possible. And just a beautiful morning, beautiful assembly, beautiful energy. The focus today was positivity, being our best self. And like one of the songs that I performed through a music video that I played during our Zoom meeting, the song called Be Your Best Self, was all about with every breath that we take on this planet each and every day, in each and every way, each and every area of our lives, that we still try to keep a positive attitude and do our best no matter what, right? This could be at home, this could be at school, this could be in our community, that we just try to maintain this positive attitude. And like the shirt says that I wear for this particular program, keep your head up. It's upside down on purpose. The words are upside down because it really speaks to us to say that if we're feeling down, if our head's down, that we have this reminder to keep our head up. And I created it years ago when I was going through a lot of tough things in my life. But this past year and a half with the pandemic and things going remote and virtual, it's really been a really good thing to have, not only in my life, but a lot of people that have chose to, wear this shirt as well, just to really serve as that remembrance that, yes, things happen and tough times do occur, and that's part of life, but we can still respond out of a positive space, right? We can still choose to make this a habit in our life, right? To replace that negativity with positivity. And that also relates to how we talk to ourselves, how we talk to others, that we start to hopefully treat ourselves a little bit more kindly, because whatever you tell your mind and your heart, it's going to believe it, right? So we want to make sure we're telling it something very positive. Try to create those healthy habits. And part of that's understanding that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up, right? There's been so many famous failures out there, and they've kept pushing, they've kept persevering to finally, reach their goal and to finally have that success. And really true success, like we also mentioned, is really just giving the effort, that we are responsible for the effort, not always the outcome. But if we're giving full effort, usually we're going to get the outcome that we want. And we also make sure that we understand our worth, right? Because part of doing your best is knowing your value, knowing your potential, that we're all beautiful miracles, like the M on all of our palms. I have mine traced here, but with the lines on each of our hands, we all have the letter M, at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And that M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, or for West Bloomfield. But the idea is that we always, remember that we're beautiful miracles first and foremost. But then we go out and try to, be that light to someone else's heart that really, really needs to know that they are too. And knowing that we're worthy of love to not only receive it, but to give it. And that's what we really tried to hammer home today, that we're not alone. We never have to do any of this alone. That part of being your best self is also having the courage to let others know when you're not okay, right? When you need to talk to someone, when you need to share your heart. And we got people part of this summer school community that really care about everyone, just like they're their own family. We have our own family and friends to reach out to too. But we know that all that really comes down to is this need that we need each other, and we have to do this together. Not just during the summertime, but we look to do this beyond, right? That all of us, when I ask the question, it's something I share, inspire you, and everybody raised their hands. So that gift that was given during this hour program, we have to take this beyond. We have to take this past just the assembly today and make sure that we start to live that. And that's how we truly make this world a better place, by being our best self and staying positive. So again, thank you so much for touching my heart. Hope to see you all in the near future. As always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Feel free to check out the amazing playlist with some motivational clips. And feel free also to check out my website. You'll see the link on the screen too. You can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.